What's up, everybody? This is Will, and this is...
Hey y'all, it's your girl Cece.
Listen, we've been hiding. That's the only way I can put it. We've been hiding, right?
Yes, we have. And
Yeah, so
it's windy outside.
we're in Florida. What do you expect? So we've been away for a very long while, right? I think last time we came at you guys, that was back in February.
Yeah, our anniversary.
Yes.
It was. Oh my God, look at the water. Yes, such a beautiful day out too.
It's Sunday morning. We just came from church, and we figured it's time to
Yes.
come out of hiding.
That's right. It is that time.
So, well, we needed to be away for a while, and we took 8 months, 7 months. Yeah, just about that long. Took some time for ourselves. Stay away from social media as much as we could. I know I was completely out, except for our podcast, but everything else, I was. I know you did some.
Everything else, yes, I did some, but I kind of took the last few months, I would say, just to focus on me, my family, my business. Social media is great, but sometimes you really need to log off.
Disconnect, do something else, do something different. But yeah, it's been good, and I recommend anyone who may find yourself like getting really hooked on social media. Now, if you're producing content and obviously your audience needs you, and you know, taking some time off would hurt your business, by all means stay on. But if you feel you're burning out and you feel like, you know what, you need to refocus, or social media is consuming so much of your time,
Yes.
take some time off, disconnect a little bit. Mine started with me literally uninstalling all the social media app except for YouTube, and I did it for a month, and that kept me away from it all, and that helped. In the process, we stopped doing our vlog.
Right. Yours was
Yeah.
like way back since February.
Well, yes, since
my husband's
February.
like, I'm not vlogging, I'm not doing social media, I'm not doing nothing. But that whole time, he's been building his business and building his, platform
Yeah.
in the background. So
Well, I'm not saying take a break and do nothing. You gotta take a break
Right.
and do something.
you
Use
gotta
that
take a
time for
break and
something
focus, right? Focus is so important because, like you said earlier, yes, if your audience needs you, you gotta be there.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes you need you too, okay? And I feel like sometimes I need me, and disconnect I feel like was something that I needed to recharge.
Yeah.
Right?
Recharge,
is so
refocus,
important, and focus.
And be away for a while. Sometimes it's good to be away.
My husband was like, let them miss you. Let them miss me for a while. This was you saying this, right? He was like, let them. And I'm sure people are wondering, where's Will? What's going on? Where's CC?
Yeah, granted, I've always been very cautious on how I use social media, so my audience may not have missed me as much as they missed you.
Sure.
Cece is big on this stuff. I'm talking about 3-4 posts per day.
I was. I mean, mind you, I only took, last time I posted something was August, and and we're in October
So
right now.
She's only been out for 2 months.
And we're in October, so yes.
3 months.
And I have built an audience on my personal platform.
I've been out since February.
Yeah, you've been out for a year. You've been MIA. Okay, this man is like, I'm just gonna be MIA, but I'm gonna see what's going on in the meantime.
Yeah.
So you've been MIA, babe. But I think it's really important to, especially the message this morning too was really good. I feel like,
what have you done with your grace?
what have you done with your grace? Oh my God, listen. The Father preached this morning. Some morning I'm like, listen, I came to church, nothing, you didn't feed my soul. I didn't get nothing from you. But this morning I was like, wow, okay. What have you done with your grace?
The message spoke to Cece.
Yes.
And it was good. I mean,
it was good.
We all have to
And
thank.
the song.
Which song?
A few songs, like a thankful
Thanksgiving
song, the grateful song.
That's the song we normally sing.
We
with the
sing
kids.
that song every night. Well, not every night, but
some nights.
some nights, like maybe we'll sing that song with the girls, and that song, he was like, there's so much meaning behind the song.
Yeah.
Where some of you guys are just like singing it as if it's just a song, but it's not just a song. It's important.
Well, yes, and this is what's important.
It's a deep, powerful song.
When you take some time off, I'm only being his dude because God graced me, blessed me with the ability to be here. And when you find that you can exist, you gotta look at how you're spending your time and how you're using your time. And if you're not using your time to explore or better or use what God gives you, then take a break. Because there's a lot of things in this world that you can waste time on. Social media is one of them.
So trust me, yes.
Yeah, so I guess now we're back. We're going to do.
Yes,
we're going to use whatever God's grace.
Yes.
So
the last quarter, we definitely going to be back with our vlogging and our posting. You know, and I know y'all heard from the podcast yesterday or Saturday. My husband is building something. Is coming out with this fit body, okay? You know, this fit body that's gonna be out there. I won't be jealous, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But I think it's good too, the fact that we were not, on social media a lot, because we really wanted to focus on what really matters to us. And sometimes too, you gotta disconnect, recharge again.
Disconnect. And if you don't disconnect, sometimes you're not allowing yourself to get away from the distraction. And believe me, there's a lot of these things, all they do is distract you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, true. And there's people that I know that actually take time off for a year of social media just so they can focus and do what they need to do, whether if it's personal or business. There's so many other platforms that you can promote your business. It's not just on Facebook or Instagram.
Do the face-to-face thing. Meet with people and talk to people.
Yeah, which we have kind of been doing that, and it works for us in a way. We've been going to seminars. We've been going to, I think we have something next weekend.
Yes, I mean we do stuff, and especially we try to talk to people. Like getting into, like, church is a good place to meet people.
Yeah.
And many churches are open for people that has businesses to go and share your knowledge. Obviously, it's free stuff. You got to be willing to give for free. And God graced us with the knowledge and the ability. If we can pass it on to someone for free and not have to get paid for it, why not?
Yes.
So it's leverage all that you have available to you. Yes, social media and all the technology are great tools. But we cannot forget the other stuff, which is the human-to-human interaction.
Yes.
And sometimes taking a break allows you to do just that.
Yeah, I think it allows you to think normal in a way.
Stop sitting behind a computer.
Where you're not like, okay, should I do this? Should I do that? Well, you have so many tabs open, which is your brain, and you're like trying to figure out what to do next. And I know one thing for me, and I don't know if my husband's like that, where I don't necessarily have to post everything on social media, meaning that if I'm working with a client, if I have a closing, or if it's like my real estate business or my credit repair business, I don't really have to post everything. There's some people that's constantly, I'm going to this open house, or I'm going to, I have a this and I have a that. There's people who are so much more so of gratitude, right? I'm grateful. I'm gonna keep this. I'm working hard. Therefore, whatever that I'm accomplished is just going to be my accomplishment.
And if that helps your business, because I know some of us have different things that helps our business.
Right.
If someone you find that posting every little things you do helps your business, then keep doing it.
Yeah, if that's for you, that's for you. That's not for me right now. Maybe later on, but that's not for me. I'm looking to hire a coach next year, a business coach, because sometimes I think we all need one. If the coach tells me, CeCe, you gotta have you know, your whatever that you do on a daily basis, post that on social media, then we'll do that and see if there's a change in my business. Yes.
Listen, it's always good to get an
By all
outside
means.
perspective, someone that can look things from the outside and give you
Right.
some guidance. Because I'll tell you something, when you're inside of things, when you're working in the thing, which many of us, we got to stop working in our business and stop working on our business. So yes, if you in it, your views are different. So
Yeah.
sometimes it helps to get someone that comes from the outside and give you an outside perspective and helps you see things. But yes, if you're working in your business, and I know many of us from the beginning, you'll be working in your business. But do your best to start working on your business.
Yeah.
Because that allows you to do a whole lot more. That allows you to delegate. That allows you
Sure.
to take time off and not have to worry about things not happening.
That is so true.
Yeah.
That is so true. And we all need that.
So it is.
That. Boy, get the camera out of my face, okay? You want to show my outfit? You want to show my hat?
Yeah.
You know, looking fly for church, for Jesus. Okay? Looking fly for Jesus.
See me, I'm normal.
You are a normal guy.
I'm normal.
You guys, you should see this water back there. This
Yeah, it's,
was not. It's a beautiful day out here. We are down in
Veterans Park.
Veterans Park, but the water is so high. This water has never been this high before. I mean, last time we were here was prior to the hurricane.
Yes, yes.
And we came here today and the water is so high to the point where it seems like it got on the ground.
Yeah.
And I'm like, man, this was really bad. This was really bad. It looks scary too, because I'm like, okay. Yeah, but that's Florida for you.
Yeah, so
That's Florida. But yeah, guys,
this is our
listen.
Sunday. We gotta go eat some
We
breakfast.
gotta go eat some breakfast. We're probably gonna do like maybe brunch because it's 10:30 already. So
That's outside of my time to
by
eat.
the time we
so
get to a location and eat something, I'm sure it'll be like 11 o'clock and there goes our brunch. I'm a brunch girl anyway, so I don't care much about breakfast. I'm a brunch girl. I eat brunch and then my next meal will be dinner and then that's it. But not for this man.
listen, I gotta eat. I gotta eat. But hey, listen, it's we're back and wanted to quickly come in and chat with you guys a little bit and let you know that we're still around. No, we're not completely gone. And for those of you who's been checking out our podcast, so you know that we've been around. It's just that there's some other things that we hadn't been doing because we want to make sure that
Kind of prioritize in a way.
There we go.
Yeah.
So you'll be seeing us
Yes. Well, I hope you have a wonderful,
Sunday.
productive week, you know, because I'm sure by the time you watch this vlog, it'll be like Monday. So, right, babe? We want to
Yes.
wish you guys a very productive week. Stay focused. Be about your business. Mind your business, too.
On that note, see y'all.